Welcome student. In last lecture we discussed about the 3D approach. In today's lecture we see about the modeling strategies. CAD/CAM software is complex and requires training and understanding of its philosophy and underlying principles. It should be considered a complex engineering modeling tool like other software for computational fluid dynamics and finite element analysis. CAD designers should use it with care if they wish to be efficient in using it. The efficient use of CAD system begins with developing a modeling strategy. A modeling strategy or a planning to make a model is a sequence of thoughts about the best, easiest, and fastest way to create the geometric model of the object we wish to model. This modeling strategy is the high level thoughts of what we need to do on a CAD system. These strategies may change when we execute it. You can see here, these are the six stages or six questions or six steps which one has to follow to complete the object in a minimum time. We view a modeling strategy as a way for CAD designers to organize their thoughts. It is similar to a flowchart in programming activities. The development of an effective modeling strategy requires a CAD designer to answer this series of questions. First is about to determine model type and subtype. In this, we have to see is it 2.5 dimensional or 3 dimensional. Okay, if it is 2.5 dimensional, then within 2.5 dimensional type, is it extrusion or axis symmetric or composite? A large percentage of engineering parts fall into a 2.5 dimensional group. Second, we have to see observe geometric characteristic of the model. Is the model symmetric with respect to one plane or more? If so, a CAD designer can construct only half of the model and then use mirror command to create the full model. The translate and rotate commands can also be used in this case. Third, choose model orientation in three-dimensional space. How is the model oriented in three-dimensional? Which model face or view is aligned with which view? This decides the first sketch plane of the model, whether it is top plane, front plane, or right plane. Fourth is choose model origin. Where is the model coordinate system origin located on the model sketch? Is it the bottom left corner of the sketch or somewhere else? That thing we have to check. Fifth, decide on other geometric details. Do we need geometric modifier to speed up construction? What color and layer scheme do we need? This kind of questions are arise and we have to find the answer of this question while deciding the geometric details. 6 is avoid unnecessary calculation. Can we use the CAD system to perform geometric calculations for us to save time? For example, we may use an intersection or end modifier instead of explicitly making calculations by hand. These 6 questions offer a guide. CAD designers may change them. We should mention that CAD designers tends to naturally jump to a CAD workstation and begin building a model, just like a programmer jumps to writing a code. Wisdom has it that the faster we build model or write code, the worse the final product is. We simply ask designer to spend few minutes to investigate the geometric properties of the model under construction and find the smartest and fastest way to create it. Once we answer the above 6 questions which we discussed earlier, what does a modeling strategy look like? While model construction involves the creation of the model database, viewing affects the way the model is displayed on the screen. Now let us see about the viewing. Modeling and viewing are interrelated. Views are defined by the various angle from which a model can be observed. You can see here in a diagram, the observer changes position in the model coordinate system while the model maintain its original orientation. This effectively line up the view with the plane of the computer screen. The geometric transformation that generates the orthographic views is converted later, and infinite number of views can be defined for a mode. If you see in a diagram, the standard 6 two-dimensional views of a model are shown. Any three-dimensional view of a model can be generated by rotating the model in real time in its modeling space. This is all about the model viewing and the modeling strategy. Thank you.